to our channel release on Netflix. Let's start the video now. The Way of the House Husband is a slice of lifestyles comedy Onna collection. This is primarily based totally at the Japanese manga collection of the same name. It is written and it's an illustration with the aid of using Kosuke Onno, and the display follows a feared Yakuza boss named Tatsu. He makes a decision to stop the crime international so that it will lead an everyday lifestyles. This is together along with his enormous other, blind to the comical issues that he is inviting, and as he attempts to alter the new reality, the banal lifestyles of the protagonist are disturbed and occasionally made exciting with the aid of using non-stop interference of his antique acquaintances. The Way of the House Husband Season 2 dropped in its entirety on Netflix on October 7, 2021, and the second installment contains 5 episodes with a runtime of 17 to 19 minutes each. Furthermore, Netflix have been recently making an investment in this anime, and it has received the streaming rights of a few relatively expected subjects like Komi Can't Communicate and Blue Period. The platform is not likely to extrude its competitive acquisition approach anytime soon. Therefore, the possibilities of the display's renewal appearance is very promising, assuming that the collection is greenlit for any other installment within the coming months. We will anticipate The Way of the House Husband Season 3 to launch someday in 2022. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news, and updates. In the Season 2 finale, Tatsu is going to the marketplace to search for the restricted version Polycure DVDs. It is something that Miku desperately wants, but unfortunately they are already offered out by the point he receives there. He is later requested with the aid of using a chum to appearance after his cute dog Koldetsu. The former Yakuza boss and his spouse straight away fall in love with the dog friend. While on a stroll the subsequent day, he meets his rival Kunimi. He is additionally roaming together along with his dog. In Season 3, we will anticipate that the protagonist to indulge with inside the maximum mundane and monotonous sports and display their hilarious side. Miku will win a paid excursion from her agency and head to Bremen Farm with Tatsu, in which they will pass for a picnic and discover the relaxation of their close by region. Meanwhile, the previous gangster could have an sudden come upon together along with his neighbor, and he might also additionally emerge as gaining knowledge of him better. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more Netflix movies, web series, reviews, news, and updates, please visit our website www.releaseonnetflix.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Release on Netflix.